Hi guys, it's Lisa Murphy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make 3-2-1 tetrahedrons. You need a bunch of newspaper, a roll of tape, and a dowel or a stick of some kind. And I will end up posting a one sheet for you, but what you end up doing is rolling. Roll. And of course I don't have any editing skills at all. That's my brother's department. So I'm showing you just in real time. You're gonna roll these up, and then your tape is already going to be ready, like so. Oh, I'm not even gonna bother turning it around. This is crazy. So your tape is already lined up. And so you got a piece of tape, and you're gonna put it on there. And then you're going to pull out your dowel. So you end up with like a stick of newspaper, okay? And I've already made all of these, already did it. And so what you end up doing, the formula is 3-2-1. So you're gonna take 3 of them and tape the top. And then you're going to tape 2 of them up the top, which I did already, but I can't find it. So there's the 2. And then there is a single 1. And then you're going to assemble them. You're going to put them together. So you got the 3 of them, and you're going to tape them down at the bottom. And then, oh, this is probably so not exciting at all for you. I don't know how to do this. So I'm taping the 2 to the bottom. You can't see me do this. I really wanted somebody to film me doing this for you today, but Pablo's at work and the other guys are all still asleep. Okay, so there's my 3. Okay, and then there's the 2, so you end up taping it at the bottom. 2. I've got Julia and Julia on in the background. It's one of my most favoriteest movies ever. So there's the 2, all right? So you had 3, 2, and then you have this one here together. Down at the bottom is where you're going to tape the 1 single sheet. So you tape 3 of them together, then 2 of them together, then you then you attach them. And now we're going to attach this one. So you end up, the shape that you make is a tetrahedron. And the reason why I made so many of them is because I'm going to make more and then attach them all together. And what you can end up doing is start making really, really awesome, huge 3-dimensional constructions. So I'll post that later. So this is what you're gonna end up making. 3-2-1 tetrahedrons. I'm going to make something big, and I'll take a picture and show you later. All right, it's Lisa Murphy. Hope you guys are hanging in there, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.